Which number cubic root of 5 with 5 equal what? If we choose letter A, square root of 5 times square root of 5 times square root of 5 equal what? Square root of 5 times square root of 5 will be 5, and then write root 5 here. Then the cubic root of 5 times root 5, it will be what? It will be 5 times itself. Then the result here, it will be square root of 5. It's the result about this example. Or you can solve this by cubic root of 5 root 5 square root of here 5 down here, put this number inside by multiplication by itself. 5 times 5 times 5, and then you can replace square root by cubic root right here. Replace them. 5 times 5 times 5, the result will be square root of cubic root of 5 times 5 times 5. It will be square root of 5. Understood? Okay, again. Okay, I will explain this example again to new steps. We know this properties. If we have cubic root of square root, you can replace them, but you must put 5 inside. Put 5 inside under this square root by multiplication itself twice times. We have in this example cubic root of 5 square root of 5. How we can write cubic root here and write square root, put 5 inside itself. 5 times 5 times 5, because we have 5 and 5 will get here by multiplication itself twice times. And then you can replace cubic root by square root. Replace them. Okay, replace them. Right here square root and here cubic root. Okay, replaced square root and the cubic root, and write 5 times 5 times 5 equal 125. Cubic root of 125, it will be 5. Then the result will be square root of 5. Or you can choose letter A, because root 5 times itself 3 times, it will be 5 square root of 5. Question number 2. Real numbers subtracted by irrational numbers, it will be rational numbers. Choose letter D. Question number 3. The slope of straight line passes through point 3 and 0 and 5 and -1, 3 and 0 and 5 and -1. We can find slope y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The result will be -1 over 2. The result will be -half. Question number 2. If the point 2 and 1 satisfies the relation ax minus y equal 3, put x equal 2 here, then 2a, and y equal 1, then 2a, it will be 3 plus 1 equal 4, and then we can divide it by 2, and the value of a here equal 2. Next question. Question number 5. The mean of the values here, we can add all the values, divide the number of the values. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6 equal 18. 18 plus 7 equal 25. 25 divided by 5, it will be 5. Question 6. If one belongs to the opened interval -3 to x, then x will be what? We have from -3 to this number. This number was opened. C meaning 1 not equal x, or x not equal 1. Okay, so x will be what? We have here 1 not belonging to x here. Then x greater than 1. Then x here will be equal to, because this interval from -3 to digit 2, x here will be equal to 2. It will be opened. And 1 belonging to 1 lies here. Then x here must write here 2. the value of x, it will be 2. Question number 2, complete the following. Number 1, if x belongs to negative integers and x power 2 equal 3, then you want to find the value of x plus root 3 power 2. Okay, first step, we can find the value of x by write positive or negative square root of 3, but he tell us x belongs to z integers negative here, then x will be negative root 3. Okay, put x here, negative 3 here, negative square root of 3 here, negative square root of 3 here, plus square root of 3 power 2. You can cancel them. The result will be 0 power 2. It will be equal 0. Question number 2. If negative 2 less than x less than 2, then the value of 2x plus 3 belongs to space. We can product by 2 here. We have this inequality. We must product by 2 and then eat 2 from all parties here, left hand side and right hand side in the middle. Okay, 2 times negative 2 negative 4, negative 4 plus 3, it will be negative 1. 2 times x plus 3, 2 times 2 4, 4 plus 3 equals 7. Okay, then this result 2x plus 3 would belong to the opened interval from negative 1 to 7 because we haven't not equal sign here. Okay, question number 3. If x power 2 equal 5, then you want to find the value of x plus root 5 or power 2. We have to solution about this equation. X will be positive square root of 5 and x equal negative square root of 5. Then we can find the value of this expression. Put x equal root 5 here, then we can write root 5 here in this expression. Root 5 plus root 5 all power 2, and here put x equal negative root 5 plus root 5 all power 2. The result will be root 5 plus root 5, it will be 2 root 5 all power 2, and the result here is 0. 0 power 2 equals 0. 2 power 2 equal 4, and root 5 power 2 will be 5. 4 times 5 equal 20. Then the value will be equal, we have two solutions, 0 or 20. 0 or 20. We have two solutions about this expression. Question number 4. The order of the median for frequency distribution is 40. In the total frequency, it will be 80. We have here the median in the seats. We have here the median in the mid seats, but here the order of the median. The order of the median was 40. Then the total frequency sum of them, it will be 80. The result will be equal 80 twice the 40. Okay. Question 5. The mode of the value, we can write the number which is the most repeating here. It will be 5. Next question. Letter A, we have square root of 18 plus 3 product cubic root of third subtract square root of 8 subtract cubic root of 9. Square root of 18 will be 9 times 2 plus 3 product by cubic root of third. How we solve this? We must product by 3 twice times in numerator and denominator. Pay attention with me about these steps. 1 times 3 times 3, and here 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times here, then you can move it outside third, okay? And here 1 times 3 times 3. Subtract. Square root of 8. 8 equal 4 times 2. Subtract cubic root of 9. And then square root of 9, it will be 3. And then write 3 root 2. Write 3. Product. 3 times 3 from 3. It will be third because 3 rise in the numerator. And here cubic root of 3 times 3 equal 9. Square root of 4 equal 2. Square root of 2. Subtract. Cubic root of 9. 3 divided by 3, 1. Then the result will be 3 square root of 2 plus cubic root of 9. Subtract 2 square root of 2. Subtract by cubic root of 9. You can cancel them. And 3 minus 2, it will be 1. 1 times root 2 equal root 2. The result will be root 2. Next question number 3, letter B. We have a circular cylinder. Okay, circular cylinder here. The height was 20 centimeters. The height here, centimeter 20. And the radius, find its radius. Okay, he want to find the radius of the base. Equal what? When he give us the volume equal 4 over 9, the volume is sphere, its radius, length. Okay, we have the sphere here, and it tells us the volume of sphere is 4 over 9 twice 4 over 9 product is the volume of sphere. We know the volume of sphere equal 4 over 3 by r power 3. It's the volume, and they give us the radius about sphere. The radius was 15. Okay, then the volume here will be 4 over 3 times by times 15 power 3. It's the volume of sphere. And then we can write that relation. We know the volume of cylinder equal area of the base multiplication by height. It's the rule. Okay, the volume equal area of the base will be pi I power 2 multiplication by height. He give us the height was 20, and then he tell us volume 1 equal 4 over 9 product by volume 2. The relation between volume of cylinder is 4 over 9 product by volume 2, the volume of sphere. Okay, understood? And then I will put here the volume 1 here, pi product by r power 3 product by 20 equal 4 over 9 product by volume 2 here. Volume 2 here, it will be 4 over 3 times by times 15 power 3. Cancel pi with pi, and then r power 3 times 20. It will be 20 r power 3. And 4 times 4 equals 16. 3 times 9, 27. Multiplication by 15 power 3. Then r power 3 equal this result divided by 20. 16 we can divide it by 20. Okay, to simplify it. And then write the cubic root of the result. Okay, divided by 20, it's meaning multiplication 1 over 20. Then r will be cubic root of them. You can find the result in your calculator and write the cubic root of them. Okay, write shift square here about the result. 16 over 25 first, 16 over 25 product by 15 power 3 product by 1 over 20. Okay, the result will be 180. Then r we can write shift square here, answer the result will be 4.7 centimeter. Next question. Find R the solution set of the equation square root of 5 product by x plus 1 equals 6. Then root 5 x equals 6 minus 5, 6 minus 1 equals 5, and then we can divide by 5, then x equal 5 over root 5. You can simplify it by divided or product by root 5 numerator and numerator. Root 5 times root 5 equal 5. 5 divided by 5 equal 1. Then x will be root 5. Next question, letter B. If x equal 2 plus root 3 and y equal 1 over 2 plus root 3, you can simplify this by find the value of y in simplest form. Product by 2 minus root 3 numerator and numerator, then the value of y equal 2 minus root 3 over 2 times 2 equal 4. Root 3 times root 3 equals 3. Then y will be equal to minus root 3. We have the value of x and y. He won't find x plus y all power 2 divided by 2xy. X and y, each of them, put x equal 2 plus root 3 and y equal 2 minus root 3 all power 2 over 2 product the x and y. We know x and y, we called it conjugate. X and y here conjugate. X equal 2 plus root 3 and y 2 minus root 3. Cancel root 3 by negative. 2 plus 2 4. 4 power 2 equals 16. And here 2 product. 2 times 2 equal 4. Root 3 times root 3 it will be 3. 4 minus 3 1. 1 times 2 equal 2. 16 divided by 2 equal 8. Okay, so the result will be 8 about this example. Next question. Represent the relation graphically. We have 2x minus y equal 3. 2x minus y equals 3. We can draw the table here. X and y, put 0, 1, 2. Put x equal 0, then negative y equal 3. Then y equal negative 3. Put x equal 1. 2 minus y equal 3. Then y will be negative 1. Put x equal 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 minus y equal 3. Then y equal 1. Okay. Then we have the order 0 and negative 3. And second order 1 and negative 1. And 2 and 1. And then we can draw here x-axis and y-axis. We have negative, okay. 0 and negative 3, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, 1 and negative 1, 2 and 1, 0 and negative 3, 1 and negative 1, and 2 and 1. And then you can draw here a straight line from use your paper and ruler to draw a straight line. Okay, it's very easy to find the result. To find specific means you can draw the table and find the result in the simplest form. Okay.